Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hey, if you did, this is how we do things here. If you are new here, kindly subscribe if you haven't yet, and if you are old too, like, put down your comments below and then share it. Actually, video like this, I'm going to record them in series or in episode because in my country like this in Ghana, people get their marketing objective very wrong. Okay, I see a lot of wrong call to action, but if you see their content or if you see their ad, what their ad really is about is a different thing. They actually want sales, but their call to action is visit Instagram profile, visit Facebook profile, which is very wrong. This video will be about how to select the best Facebook ad campaign objectives to match why you are running those ads or what you want to achieve. Right about now, I'll be switching to my screen over here. I'll screen record this as we always do it, and then I will show you guys how to select the best Facebook ad objective to match your campaign objectives, what you want to achieve correctly. Okay, so join me on my screen here and let's start doing it real quick. Peace out. Hello guys, welcome to my screen. As I said again, I'm going to show you the best way to select a Facebook campaign objective. Okay, as I said again, I see a lot of people doing these mistakes, and I've taken it upon myself to address it in this video. And hey, this video is going to be in episodes or in series, and I will be focusing on Facebook ads from start to finish. Quickly, without wasting much time, I respect you guys your time very well. So let's go to our favorite browser, Google Chrome. Then let's open a new tab. Then let's type in facebook.com/ads manager, like this. Okay, then we hit enter. Then we wait for the internet to do its work, like so. So guys, it's loading up. It's loading, and let me grab my pen here. The class has begun. Fine, yeah. Okay, so this is what you are going to see. Okay, this is exactly what you are going to see when you go to this website, facebook.com/ads manager. This is the ads manager dashboard or homepage. Yeah, let's put it that way, homepage. Okay, so here you see a couple of things, but we are not going to navigate through all these buttons, all these features and all this stuff. No, the most important thing for us today is how to set up or how to choose an ad objective. So you see this green button that I'm circling here, says it says what? Say it. Okay, you said it. Okay, so let's move on. Let us hit on it and see what happens. It's loading up. Hey, come. Yeah. So you see, let me grab my pen again. Create new campaign here. Choose a campaign objective. We won't learn more today. Okay, so the first ad objective that we see here, the topic is awareness. The headline, the okay, so the title is awareness, and then brand awareness, and then reach. So basically, what this means is if you want to reach out to new audience, okay, if your brand is new, you probably want people to hear about you, to know about you. So you go for brand awareness. You don't go for traffic. That's bullshit. BS. No. Or you can choose to reach, like stretching your hands to new people, trying to get in touch with new people if your brand is new. So awareness, one. And then two, this is my favorite, I would call it consideration.
consideration. And this first objective that you see here is traffic. Where do we send traffic to? Where do we send traffic to our website probably? So if you have a blog website, an e-com website, and you want to drive traffic to, especially blog post, okay, a blog website, if you want to drive traffic to a particular blog post or your blog website in general, you will have to go for this traffic objective. And also engagement. Okay, you can do this with your website, also if you want people to engage with your website through ads, running ads to your website for engagement. You can do this with your Instagram page and even your Facebook page or your landing page. This also deals with websites, okay, like so. And app downloads or app install. Okay, so this is very, very simple. If you have a new app, if you are also a developer like me and you have a new app on the market, you can run this ad to let people download, whether on Google Play Store or Apple Store, like so. Video views. Maybe you are promoting a product, okay, or you are new into the internet marketing industry and you want to promote yourself. You can record a video and then you send traffic to it, you run ads to it, you boost it actually. And then leads. For every business to succeed, that business needs to collect emails, needs to collect phone numbers, need to collect addresses of their customers or their audience. So if you want to collect leads, which are emails, names, and phone numbers, and this works with forms, okay, you will need to set up a form, okay. So that is also there. And messages, you want people to send messages, ask you about your product, ask you about your brand. You can also run this ad objective and you will achieve that. And conversions, this is the money part, okay. Oh, this blackboard is becoming messy, okay, but I'll finish very soon. Yes, so conversion, sales. If you want to increase conversion on your e-com website or your online store, you would have to go for this ad objective, okay. So conversions, you send traffic to your website for sales. um Catalog sales, also the same thing. And also store traffic, e-com websites or your e-com store, Shopify, you know other online store setups. Yes, so this is, you need to know this, okay. Whenever you want to run ads, you need to know what you want to achieve, the marketing objective that you want to achieve, and automatically you would like to achieve any of this. So you go for what exactly that you want to achieve, because your call to action will be based on what you choose here, okay. And I see a lot of people on Instagram, especially people from Ghana, my beloved country. People do this the wrongly. You see that they really want sales, but their call to action, which is their CTA, will be visit Instagram profile, which is 100% wrong. Learn more. Okay, so in my next video, we will look at brand awareness and how to set up a brand awareness campaign. After that, we'll go for reach. Okay, so this video is going to be in episode, as I said earlier, okay, and then we come to consideration and then we come to conversion. So if you really want to gather more knowledge about these, please subscribe to this channel and also like and share this video, and let me know your comment in the comment section below. If you want to add anything to, you can put it in the comment section below, and then we will all be learning from each other very, very well, very, very quickly. Okay, so yes, so that will be all, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I said again, my next video, which is how to set up brand awareness, will be will be recorded and will be uploaded very, very soon. So make sure you subscribe and then you hit the small bell to turn off your notification, so that whenever I upload any of these videos that I'm saying, you will get a notification and you'll be one of the first people to check it out. Okay, so enjoy your day. Make sure you stay safe. We are still in a pandemic. Make sure you stay safe, and then the family also. So thank you for watching the video. I don't want to take much of your precious time. I respect your time. See you next time. Bye bye.